Is your appliance light not working? If it's not working and you have no place to put a regular appliance bulb, you probably have an LED module that goes in it. You can tell if you look up and underneath, there's usually a little light, but the problem is, how do you access it? To do that, you feel there's a little ridge right here. You just actually pull that out. Sometimes it's a little difficult one-handed. And you can see you have your main control board here and your LED board, which is back here. If you look real close, there is a plastic black pin right here that holds the board. There's a pin as well as a grommet that goes around it. The pin pushes up through and pushes the plastic grommet out, and that's what holds your control board in. Get like a matchstick and push that down, and then you'll be able to take this pin out right here, and that will release the control board. Then you can remove it and disconnect the two wires. You have three wires. You have a yellow, a red, and a gray. So the gray wire goes up here to the switch. The red also comes down to here and also feeds power to the board. And the yellow and the gray wire, I believe, are ground. To make sure it's your LED panel board and not your main controller board, you measure the voltage. Between the red and the gray wire, you should have 13.5 volts. That's the main supply. Between the yellow and red, when the light is not on by the switch on your master control board, it should be floating. So it's just showing a general reading here of 0.6 volts. With the light on, between the yellow and red wire, you get 13.49 volts. Again, similar to the first reading. If you're getting no voltage, you're going to want to check this fuse and make sure it's not blowing. If that fuse is blowing, then all your circuitry on your control board will not be working. Once you verify the voltage is being delivered to the LED board, you know it's the problem. So pull it out, look at the numbers on the board, go order the right one for your make and model. Reinstall the new board you received, and hopefully you got a refrigerator light. Hope that helped. Happy fixing.